I went to a really competitive high school in Houston, and then afterwards, after I graduated, I studied abroad in France for a year, where I was speaking French and living with host families, and it was super fun. But then I got to college, and I got to UT, and I wasn't an automatic admin, so I was already a little nervous because I knew I was going to have to work harder than everyone, but there was one class that I knew I would excel at, and that was my French course. So I got into my French class, and it was 9 a.m. on a Monday, my first class in college, and I felt really confident because I could understand what the teacher was saying. I was understanding the videos we were listening to in class. I could respond to the teacher. I thought I was doing as well or better than my classmates. And then I got my test back, and I realized that my written French was not as good as my oral production or my understanding. And so it was kind of devastating because this is the one class that I was confident in and I knew I could succeed in, but then I didn't. I really wanted to take charge and take control of my grades in college and do really well. So instead of kind of waiting around and seeing if I could do better on the next test, I knew that I should go out and ask for help. So I went to the Sanger Learning Center and I met with a French tutor there. And it was really, really great because my tutor helped me set the agenda for our meetings. We focused on kind of basic grammar, like the building blocks of the language that I wasn't really taught when I studied abroad. And so she really helped me bring my written French up to the same level as my oral production and my understanding. And it really helped me succeed in the class.